Welcome to another MP4Nation.net video and review. Today I'm going to show you the new Bmorn BM889. Here's the actual unit. Let me just show you the box. Fascinating. And the accessories, manual, earphones, video out cables, use RGB, and the standard USB cable over here. Let me pick that up. Oh, and it does come with a stylus, which you may need to use with this sort of touchscreen. Here's the unit itself. It has a 5-inch resistive touchscreen. It has an 800 by 480 resolution screen. It's a nice screen, but it has the same viewing angle issues that many 5-inch players have these days, which I'll show you. It has a similar styling to the larger BM888. Uses the Rockchip RK2806 processor, but and it has 8 GB of internal memory. What makes this player stand out from other Rockchip players is that it uses a far nicer user interface, a better developed user interface. The actual interface runs on Adobe Flash, so it's far more interactive than what we've seen before. Although I hope it becomes quite common, so I don't have to keep on saying that line. It has all your standard features, all your standard, what you'd expect on PMP of this sort. It has your music player. The music quality on this is very good. It's good because the Rockchip has always produced good sound, comparable to that of any major brand name player, if not even better. One of the nice things is it does have dynamic scrolling, fast scrolling like that. And this is where the touchscreen kind of lacks. It requires you to use your tip of your fingernails, and right now you can see I have very dirty and long fingernails. I've gone to cut in a while. But if you use your finger, it's a little harder. It doesn't respond as well. It does do it, but just not as well. You're better off using the tip of your finger or the nail of your finger, or even the stylus. But the stylus isn't necessary, really. So, it does play MP3, WMA, FLAC, OGG file formats, all the standard audio file formats that we expect Rockchips to be able to play. It does have some sort of cover flow, not really, but down here you can actually choose another song, and you see it goes there. If you had album art, I guess it would show album art, but none of my music has album art. So there you go, you have that little problem. Okay? Click here and bring up a little side menu. Bring up play effects, custom EQ. As you can hear, it does have a built-in speaker. It does its job, but it's nothing fantastic. And a nice little feature about this is that you hit home, and you can see up here, shows the song that's currently playing, and you can even just pause it from right there. So it has a nice little widget on the main menu itself. Go back to music, and you bring up the little menu on the side here. You got your album artist, sorts it all there, quite fast. Your playlist in this is basically your favorites. All music, close that up. Go to, yeah, I got it right there. That's the music player. Oh, and I'm sure some people will be wondering, you can fast forward on the bottom there. Show you the video player. As this is a Rockchip RK2806 processor, it can handle videos up to 720p. This includes videos for AVI, MKV, FLV, RMVB, and actually more formats than that now. But those are probably the more popular ones and the best supported. As you can see, there's little thumbnails here. It's actually a nice little feature. I'm going to say no to continue. As you see, the screen is sharp and nice, but does have that, down angle screen problem where everything becomes a little darker. But overall, it's good for video viewing. Now, if you hit pause here, or just hit back, Well, it does take a picture of the last scene that you're on. In this case, there's a dark scene, so let me just go back, and it puts a little image there. Nice little thing, you know. Nothing, nothing groundbreaking, but hey, it's nice. I mean, that's what this user interface is all about. It's all extra bells and whistles that really takes advantage of the hardware, but adds, adds a little extra there, a little flair that's been missing from Chinese PMPs for some time. But it doesn't change, how the music sounds, how the video plays back. So, one of the really nice things I do like about this, the Flash interface, is the fast scrolling, the dynamic scrolling. That's definitely been lacking from Chinese touchscreen players for some time. Anyway, that's a 720p RMVB file. It does have video out, by the way. It can do up to 720p video out. A photo. You can, do the scrolling of that for your pictures. I wouldn't say it's the most sensitive when it comes to this particular feature for the actual moving, but nonetheless it's there. You got different menu options. You can zoom in also. And then you can just pan around. And you can also set it as your desktop background or your main menu background. Ebook. Did I load anything? No. Okay, we'll use this ebook file. Again, you really need to use the tip of your finger for this. So. It has a game built in. I forgot what exactly this game is. Oh yeah, it's basically, I think you have to... Alright, I really don't know what to do in this game, so I'm just gonna ignore it. Yeah, this game anyway. Has a radio, your voice recorder, calendar that looks nice, does nothing. No, I don't want to save the date. Calculator. Go. Your English to Chinese and Chinese to English language dictionary if you really need it. Your settings. It also has a file explorer, so you can explore all the internal files, and as well as the files that you can put on your micro SD card and put it here. Different options. I just want to show you the TV out settings. The TV out mode there. As you can see, PAL NTSC for normal, and then you got your 720p. Go back. And different TV out size to fit your size TV. Anyway, this is the Bmorn BM889. It's a very nice player. The user interface is really nice. I do like it. It's nice and slick. It's definitely what we've been missing from Chinese PMP players. The downside is pretty much the touchscreen because you have to use your nail. It doesn't really like a large input. So, using your nails is a smaller input. So that's only hang up, but I wouldn't put I wouldn't say it's a deal breaker really, because you can still get around with it. Use a tip, you get used to it very fast. That's the only real hang up I see about this player. But again, it's not something I would say should turn you off from getting it. It's a really nice little player. Anyway, here's a player. Head on over to mp4nation.net to check it out. And head on over to our forums to discuss this. Thank you.